What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing deer breakfast sausage today, y'all. Deer breakfast sausage. Now, we're grinding this deer up, getting it ready for the sausage process. But I already have a video on this, so I didn't want to take y'all through it. And if you want to see the video on how exactly to do it, I will leave a link in the eye above. But anyway, y'all, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna start off with that ground deer meat, which we have 2 pounds of ground deer. And to that 2 pounds of ground deer, I'm gonna add a pound of 70-30 ground beef. Then a pound of pork breakfast sausage. Jimmy Dean's. Now to our meat mixture, we gonna add in a tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of sage, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of oregano, a tablespoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of cayenne and paprika. Now we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, y'all. Kosher salt. And we're gonna give this a really good mix. Now, we're gonna have to mix this for real, y'all. For real. You gotta keep mixing. Keep it going. Cause you gotta incorporate all those meats, all those seasonings. It's gonna take a while, y'all. Now, usually this takes me about 3 minutes of just doing this to get all this meat mixed together and get that seasoning blended into the meat. Because that seasoning blended, you're not gonna get the correct seasoning all through your sausage. Now once we get this blended up, we're gonna sausage out our patties. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. So look at them patties, y'all. Look at them patties. Don't they look good? They look good, y'all. Telling you, some of the best breakfast sausages you done had. A great blend of meat and a great way to use that ground deer. So let's get our patties on our griddle. And oh yeah. What you want to do is just check. See if it's time for that flippy flip. Because it should pull away from this griddle easily, y'all. Like I say, it should be about 2 minutes on each side, maybe 3, depending on the thickness of your patty. Don't them look good, y'all? They look good. So let's get us a piece of provolone cheese onto our sausage patty. And let's get us a slice of bread onto our griddle so we can toast it. While that sausage cook on that other side. soon as that sausage is done, we gonna get it off here, y'all. We gonna get it off. Let's go ahead and give our bread a flippy flip. Oh my goodness. Look at that color, y'all. Look at that color. And to our bread, we gonna add a slice of American cheese to each piece. Cause we building 2 sandwiches, y'all. 2 of them. Wifey gotta have one and I gotta have one. And then we gonna get our sausage on top of that. And then we gonna let that bread toast and get it off. And then we gonna add some more bread. Cause we gotta toast the other side of the bread, y'all. That's just 1 sandwich a piece for me and wifey. So once that get toasted, we gonna flip it over too. And of course, I gotta crack me an egg. My wife, she likes scrambled. I like that runny yolk, y'all. That runny yolk. Oh my goodness. It be so tasty. But anyway, add a little salt and pepper to that egg and give it a flippy flip because I like my eggs over easy. And that's it, y'all. Let's build our sandwich. We gonna get our egg on top of that sausage with another slice of cheese, American, and then our lid, that good piece of crispy toast. Now with mine, I simply put me some tater tots into the air fryer. Now, if you don't like tater tots, you can always make you some hash browns, but hey, I decided to have tater tots today. So let's cut that sandwich in half and let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You know I gotta hit that egg yolk. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace. And keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.